Let's talk about the future of marketing and adapting the AI changes to how marketing's working. So inside of search, it used to be where you wanted to get into that 3-pack, where you wanted to make sure you were at the top of search. That's changed. Now you have, well, you've always had ads that you had to compete with, but now you have AI suggested content. You have people go into AI for search. ChatGPT has a whole search function inside of it to where you can have that conversation with it to be able to pull that out. This is making it to where all businesses, no matter how big you are, you might be a mom and pop shop, a one-man band, all the way to being a large corporation, you have to adopt AI change. And the one thing that's consistent across this whole piece is making sure that you are adopting it and bringing the human factor into it. So as you're looking at all the different types of AIs that are out there, you have everything that can create video, to cloning yourself, to cloning your voice, to writing that paper, or using ChatGPT to write your email or sales approach. You got to make sure that you're bringing the human factor into play. What SimplyBeFound.com has done is we've made it to where you can put the right data points into where you can be found inside of the AI ecosystem, because you want to make sure that you're being found inside of voice search, or voice search registration as some like to call it. You want to make sure that you are making sure that your business has the right data points to be found inside of those search areas. So as you're looking at that, you have to make sure you're making those calls and doing the right things in the right spots to get the results that you're looking for. How we're going to do that is we're going to start with listings. Listings is going to put you out on about 500 plus networks, and is going to help your business gain backlinks and authority, because it's able to share that information and have consistency. Back in the day, we called this NAP, to where you had name, address, and phone number. Now it's larger than that, making sure you have the same descriptions. Make sure that you have your phone number, your address. If you're a service area business, making sure it's structured correctly inside of those data sets. Listing out your keywords, listing out your products. That is what the listings package is going to be, and where you're going to have to start at. Every business should have that piece. That next piece is exploring inside of the social media suite. The social media suite is going to make it simple for you to be able to put all of your social media in one spot. You can even have it repeat out any information. You can generate your content inside of there. There's an AI tool to be able to generate content just like you would inside of ChatGPT. It'll help you be able to write your social media posts, help you be able to do that side. You can do everything from photos to video to making sure that you're on the right networks. It's going to work with Facebook, Twitter. It's going to work with Instagram. It's going to work with TikTok. It's going to work with YouTube and a few other places like Pinterest and stuff like that. So you have that social media side. It's going to allow you to do all of your social media from one spot. What I love about this probably the most is you can write one social media post, optimize it on each of those networks in about the same amount of time as it would take you if, say, you were doing a post over to Facebook. But this is going to let you do it inside of Google and all the different networks at one point. That's one piece I forgot to mention inside of there is Google Business Profile. But you're going to be able to do all of that information in one spot and be able to schedule it and get it out. This means that in a couple hours in a weekend, you could schedule out several weeks worth of content, if not further. Depends on how fast you are and what kind of business you have. The next piece is going to be bringing that SEO piece in. This is where it's going to work on your website. Doesn't matter who designed it, doesn't matter what it's built on, but you're going to be able to use that AI SEO tool to be able to get your business found by more local customers and get the right structure. This is going to put the right schema in place and do all the SEO. It used to cost thousands upon thousands of dollars. I think I just read a study the other day. The average person who's actually an expert and not a so-called expert inside of SEO is going to run you about $175 an hour. This tool is going to be able to reduce it to where you don't have to have that, to where you have the human touch of your marketing coach that's helping you make those decisions and helping you SEO and optimize your website to be able to get it found. This is where AI comes into place with that human touch and allows you to be able to move through each and every spot. So as we look at AI and how it's changing marketing, you have to make sure you're staying up on top of trends, because we're moving faster than we ever have. You have regulators trying to put regulation now inside of AI because it's moving so fast. They want to slow it down. It's being used in ways that are super scary. Like I said at the very beginning, is you have people using it to be able to clone their people's voices and people inside of video. I mean, this video right here, was it generated by a human or was it generated by an AI? Well, ask me inside of the comments below and I'll tell you which one it is. A hint is, hi, it's me. I don't use AI inside of being able to clone myself yet because it's not there. But yeah, I like to bring that human touch into it. It's my belief system inside of there. But this is where everything kind of comes together. If you want to make sure you're future-proof in your business and future-proof in your marketing, make sure you come visit us at simplybefound.com, where we're going to help you be able to put the human touch into AI and getting your business found and give you value and help you be found by more customers when they do a search, no matter if it's on voice search, if it's on social media, if it's on AI search, or if it's in DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or whatever network they might be looking for you, to help you be able to rank higher in search and get found to give your business more opportunities. Come check us out, simplybefound.com.